Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then hold power off. And after the device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see INFINIX logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. When you see this XOS and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will end up in INFINIX recovery mode. So here you can navigate using volume keys and select using power key, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.